What's up, YouTube? This is one of my most recent favorite Nike outlet finds. It's a pair of Prestos for myself. Now these are pretty fire. If you're looking for a pair of shoes like this, check out the affiliate marketing link to buy them on StockX. This is a great pair of shoes. I know this is not the greatest colorway, but it's definitely a nice sneaker silhouette. I'm gonna throw them on here on foot. You can let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. There's a nice little yellow speckle at the bottom. Very comfortable shoes if you ask me. Let's see how they look. So here they are on foot. And as you can see, they look much better. Especially with this denim here, it stacks really well. These are nudie jeans. If you're interested, check out the Amazon affiliate link in the description. I mean, they're not Flyknit Prestos, but these Presto utilities are pretty fire. And again, if you like the shoes, check out the StockX affiliate link in the description. These are pretty nice. I mean, there's better colorways of these, I'm pretty sure, but I can't complain about finding this at the outlet for such a crazy deal. I think it was 80 Canadian, 30% off, which is like $56. That's like 39 US or something like that. That's a crazy deal for shoes like this. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the affiliate links for the jeans and for the shoes in the description. Goodbye.